with y'all. RDA. I gotta get another video and check this out, man. Check this out. I know. Hold on. Y'all probably like, oh, hold on. Why I still look the same? Professor, what's happening? It's right here, y'all. It's right here. But look, check this out. You know I'm new to this YouTube stuff, right? You feel me? All right, check this out. Cause I want y'all to see something. I want y'all to see. I'm gonna face it y'all way. See that? See that? So look, first of all, that's not what I was trying to show you. I don't know what the hell was going on with that. Anyway, that's besides the point. Check this out. It need a SIM card, y'all. See now, y'all, don't judge me. I'm new to this YouTube stuff. You feel me? So let me get the drift of it. You feel me? So this thing need a SIM card. I think every camera do. So this is advice when you start on YouTube. Just know that you need a SIM card for your camera. Cause look at that. See that one filled because I got the power source to it. You see that? Look at that. Just go ahead, look at that. Yeah, but right here it needs the SIM card. So yeah, that's what we need to do real quick. And you know your boy got, he caught the tripod, but that's besides the point. Anyway, listen. You feel me? See now we doing it again because obviously when I say what y'all want me to do, the most I get is monkey ass. So that's what we finna do. You feel me? So without further ado, let's get on right into this video. Yo, you feel me? Let's go ahead and do that real quick. See, I gotta do this again because they was feeling me over here. We not gonna talk about when they was trying to roast me and all of that, but that's really what now we ready to talk about. Nope. Okay, I got the 30 plus bananas. You feel me? We're gonna do only claim because I'm not ready claiming and you feel me. Yo, I just want to start on the app. Can I do that? Like it's frozen. Look at this, man. Hello. Hello. Yeah, it's probably the angle I was on, y'all. So this is what we finna do. We finna go over here. Cause I ain't going for none of that. You not ready to keep passing me. It's like, was she stupid? Is she okay? Don't get it mixed up, man. We not finna talk about that, y'all. That's really what we not ready to talk about. Can somebody pick up? Look, I got the camera. You want? I don't got the SIM card. I'm sorry. I don't even know why I said that. I just heard my feelings. Y'all, cause like for some reason my monkey just don't be working sometimes. I don't understand. Honestly, I really don't. But this is what we not finna do because I just got to smash and this is. Hello?
Hi.
I got a question for both of y'all. Would you smash or pass?
You first. What?
Wait, what? Why we whispering? Huh? What's going on? Hello?
What's good? What's poppin'? What's good?
Already, you feel me? Alright, check this out. I got a question.
I got an answer.
I like that. I like you. Alright, add time. Hold on, add time. I like that. But that's what we're not finna talk about. Anyway, my question to you is, would you smash or pass me?
My answer to you is, I'm a smash.
Oh, damn. I'm finna fuck him.
Oh, let's get it. Take this further. I didn't want to take that further. Brace face K. Okay, let me. Yo. Alright, add time. Cause I got a question for both of y'all. Y'all can answer. I know I hate when my camera used to do that, but look, that's besides the point. How old are y'all? Y'all good?
15.
Okay. Alright, the 16 one to answer. Alright, so look, question. I got a question for you. Would you smash or pass me?
I'll smash.
You a smash? Alright, hold on. Let's take this further real quick. Add me as a friend on here. Sorry to waste your time. If you watch, I'm sorry. Slim. What's up, Slim? No. Got the full screen on here. Hello? I got a question for you. Would you smash or pass? Hello?
Hello?
You smashing or passing?
Smash.
You were weird. You were weird, but I will take that because you was being so distant and calm with it. You feel me? You wasn't sneak dissing. See, if I heard some mumbles going on, then we would have had some problems conversing with each other. But we not really talking about that. Wanna know why? Because hello. Oh, Maddie, hold on, add time. Cause you looking mighty badly. All right, so look, check this out. I got a question for you. Ready? Look. Would you smash or pass?
Smash.
All right, I need to. Let me get the examination from your point of view. Like, why'd you say smash?
Because he can.
Oh, don't get it mixed up. All right, check this out. You trying to take this further? Cause like you can be my new money at life. You feel me? I mean, you press the follow button. I mean the friend button. But hold on. It's not the friend button. I mean, there's no wife button on here, but you usually gotta press the friend button. So check this out. You got a nice smile. You know, all that chocolate. You feel me? What you trying to do? You trying to link?
I'm not really looking for a relationship.
See, that's where you messed up. We could have been doing something, but no, you wanted to. You feel me? That's what we can't be doing. We can't be. Can I see your face?
What's good?
Oh, all right, add time. Hold on. Add time real quick. I got a question for you. Yeah, I gotta relax. All right, my bad. All right, check this out. Would you smash or pass?
Yeah, I probably smash.
Ooh, hold on. Add the friend button. I mean, there's no wife button on here, but you know, it's only a friend button, so you can't press that. Anyway, that's beside the point. Can I still see your face? Because I was looking at my future. All right, huh? What's happening? Relax. Around Texas. Go ahead and answer that. Yo. Oh,
I got a boyfriend. You're not giving anyway.
hold on. Wait. I got a question. Would you smash or pass me?
What's your boyfriend?
Hey yo, I got a question.
Huh?
I got a question.
You said what?
I got a question.
Wait.
Would you smash or pass me?
You said that shit last night. Not my night.
Huh?
I'm smashing.
Think I'm cute. She wanna have sex.
Oh, wow. So like, what would you rate this? Like, what would you rate me?
What?
I said, what would you rate me?
What would I write you?
Yeah, 1 through 10.
You said what would I write you?
Yeah.
You done broke my scale, man.
Don't get it mixed up. You feel me? Don't get it mixed up. Hold on. Add time. I got a question. I got another question. You feel me? Don't get it mixed up. I got that slice that drink. You feel me? That slice drink. You feel me? That's what we gotta do. We're connected to monkey service. See, that's exactly what I'm talking about. Why they gotta do me like this though? Feel me? Out of everybody on the earth, it wants to do me like that. Biggest fan. Hey yo.
What? Shut up.
Okay.
Y'all know I'm not
What-
weird, so that's why. Look at the camera.
Her voice. Her voice. It wasn't right. Nigga, it sounded like mine's below it. We not finna talk about that though. Maris, I got a question. Lord, no, I'm taking a shot. I got a question for you.
What's your question?
Would you smash or pass me?
Huh?
Would you smash or pass me?
Smash.
Ooh, okay. Hold on. Rate me on a scale of 1 through 10 real quick.
9.
See, that's unfortunately the wrong answer. I was looking for a 20. So yeah, you gotta go. I mean, I was about to hang up on you anyway. At least you, I know I ain't tripping. Man, y'all tell me to come. Hello?
Hello?
Alright, I got a question for you. Would you smash or pass me?
I was smashed.
Oh, okay, add time, because we gotta take this further. Anyway, that's besides the point. Why would you smash?
Because you're cute.
So I'm cute. Alright, so what would you rate me? 1 through 10?
Like, I get 8.7.
That's
It's because you're not as dark. It's because you're not as dark.
That's unfortunately the wrong answer. I was looking for a 20. I thought I was gonna break your scale, but you didn't. You said 8, so.
You have to be a little more melody. You have a little more melody.
I mean, wait until the sun come out. I can FaceTime you back, and then we can continue this conversation.
Okay, I'll wait.
You'll
I'll
wait.
then.
Okay, hold on. I'm not getting darker for you. What you thought this was? You thought I was finna get darker for you? What? You good? Everything fine? Everything fine? 15.
Change my state of mind.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Love so hard to find.
we got him.
Entertain us.
All right, I got a question for you then. If you want me to entertain you at a time.
All right, what's the question?
All right, so check me out. Would you smash or pass me, both of y'all? Hold on. Before you.
You know you've got that thing that makes the girls all swing.
This bitch was smashed.
All right, what about you then? Because you saying she did, but what about you?
I'm not single. I can't do that. Just you.
Okay, but what if you was single? Then what?
I'll pass.
Oh! Somebody! Oh!
All right, you forget you. Get out the camera. I don't even want to talk to you right now. Listen. Would you rate me 1 through 10 real quick?
He needs some milk.
I'm finna go. Oh my, add time. Listen, you gotta add time for me real quick. Would you smash or pass me? Just hold on. Let me turn to your side, sweet. Did you hear me? What? Were you examining? You examining right now? That's what you're doing? My bad.
Yeah.
All right, my bad.
Smash, even though I don't think it.
Listen. That's only but a thing right now. All right, that's what we finna call it. All right. Anyway, would you rate me on a scale of 1 through 10 real quick? Cause I need to know. Like,
10.
okay. See, I was looking for a 20, but if you give me a 10, that's perfectly fine. You feel me? See, it's not a wife button on here, so you're going to have to press that friend button for me. Thank you. That's the end of the video, y'all. Listen. Like, comment, subscribe, y'all. If you're new to the channel, man, welcome to the RTA family, baby. You feel? We do nothing but everything. Woo. Go ahead and while you at it, yeah, you right there.
Hell no!
My bad, y'all. I'm sorry for that. Don't look. It's about to rain. Somebody said RTA. We out.